Today I'm making a fun holiday appetizer, Grinch Kabobs. To make these, all you need are some strawberries, a banana, and green grapes, plus some bamboo picks and mini marshmallows. To prep, we're going to start with the strawberries and just cut off the hull end of each berry. This cut was too shallow, so I'll make another cut. You want a nice clean cut anyway. And then I also like to cut the tip off the other end, just to make a little bit of a flat surface on that side. Do this to all the strawberries. I'm going to do 10 today, just to make 10 little mini kebabs. And then once I have those set, we'll just set those aside on a small plate so they're ready to grab when we need them. And then we are going to also cut some banana. Because there were 10 strawberries, you need 10 slices of banana. I always make a couple extra just in case one's too thin or too thick or whatever. It's just a couple slices of banana, right? So then put this in a bowl, and then I like to squirt a little bit of lemon juice in there. Stir that around. Be sure to remove any seeds from the lemon, and then stir this just to coat it. It helps to prevent the banana from browning too quickly. Then we can start assembling. Just take a bamboo pick and start with a green grape. This is the Grinchy face. Add 1 slice of banana. This is the bottom of the Santa hat. Add the strawberry right on there. There we go. And then of course top it with a little mini marshmallow to complete the Santa hat look. It's adorable, it's fruit, and it's delicious. So I'm going to put this on my little plate and then continue with the rest of my fruit. What's great about this is there's no cooking required. It's kind of fun and whimsical, and it's kid friendly, and by that I mean the kids can help you make them, and they also will enjoy eating them. This, I believe, is the last one, and we can add this to the plate, and you can see this is a small plate, but at least you can see what a cute little plateful of Grinch Pops this is, all set to eat. This is a super fun little appetizer to have and to make during the holidays. I hope you give it a try, because if you do, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.